Hi everyone, I was asked on my Facebook page if I could do a really quick little video to show how you do a granny shawl, so a sort of granny triangle motif. I've got a bit of a sore throat today, so it's going to be a bit of a rough and ready quick video for you, not too much waffling and rambling. So without further ado, I shall get on and show you how you start and the sort of setup rows and the pattern repeat for doing a granny shawl, and I hope it all makes sense. So Sarah, this one is for you. First off, you're going to start with a slip knot. Now, just as a note, when I make granny shawls for myself, I start with a magic ring, but because this is just to keep it as simple as possible, I'm going to do it with chains to start so you can see. Chain 5. Then in that first chain you did here, you're going to join your chain to make a circle with a slip stitch. So just insert your hook into that chain, yarn over, come back through the chain and come back through the loop on your hook, which means you've joined your chains into a circle. So you're going to be working all your stitches into here. So to start your granny shawl, you are going to chain 4, which counts as a double crochet and a chain 1. And then into that center space of your circle, you're going to put 3 double crochet. Chain 3. And then 3 more double crochet. Chain 1 and end with a double crochet into that ring. Turn your work and chain 4. Again, that counts as a double crochet and a chain 1. And then into this space here, this chain 1 space, put 3 double crochet. Surprise, surprise, cat hair in my yarn. Chain 1. And then into the chain 3 space that you did earlier, you're going to put 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, all into that same place. So this is the point of your triangle. So 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet. Chain 1 and pop 3 double crochet in this space here, right at the end there. then chain 1, and you're going to end with a double crochet into the top of this chain that you did to begin with. You want to go into the 3rd chain, which will, you've got to squidge it around a bit to find it, because of course you did 4 chains which count as a double crochet and a chain 1. So you want to go into the top of the 3rd chain, 1, 2, 3 in here. Put 1 double crochet into the top. Oops. Turn, chain 4, which again counts as a double crochet and a chain 1. Then into the space in between your double crochet and the last cluster of sort of 3, pop 3 double crochet. Chain 1, 3 double crochet to the next chain 1 gap, chain 1, and then when you're back up the top again into this chain 3 space, 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, all into there. The top of your shawl, the peak, the bit that points down. I don't know how to describe it. I'm sure you know what I mean. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 1, 3 double crochet in this gap here, chain 1, and then end on a double crochet into the 3rd chain of that chain 4. Try and catch 2 loops if you can. Doesn't matter if you can't. But I can't. Although, yeah, we can. Oh, yeah. Oh no, I split my yarn. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. So I'll show you one more round, and you just keep going in the same fashion. So chain 4, which counts as a double crochet and a chain 1, 3 double crochet into this first space here, chain 1, 3 double crochet to the next space, chain 1, 3 double crochet to the next chain space, chain 1, and then into the top for your triangle you're going to put 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, all into the same space. And then you're going to come back down the other side, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet into that end space. Chain 1, then end with a double crochet into the 3rd chain of that chain 4. And that's it. You literally just keep going outwards until the shawl is as big as you want it to be. You can change colours, you can throw in a few different stitches if you want to, but this is just a really simple, really basic granny shawl shape. So as long as you start and end on a single double crochet, that sounds complicated, on 1 double crochet, or the mock, which is your chain 3, and on the sides running up into the gaps from the row below, just like on a granny square, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, all the way up, and then in the center point you put 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, and it just continues to grow.